Never eat chia seeds like this unless you want gut blockages, nutrient loss, and dangerous blood sugar spikes. These 5 common chia seeds mistakes can actually do more harm than good, and most people make at least one of them every single day. I had a client who swore by chia water every morning until it started making her constipated, bloated, and tired. Turns out she was doing everything wrong, from using too much to drinking it on an empty stomach. She thought it was healthy until it backfired. Don't let that be you. Chia seeds are everywhere, on smoothies, in water, in detox drinks, and even in baked goods. But here's what almost no one tells you. The way you use chia seeds matters way more than you think. Done right, they're one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Done wrong, they can mess up your digestion, spike your insulin, and block key nutrients your body needs to survive. Chia seeds aren't always healthy. Let's get something straight. Chia seeds can be amazing. They're loaded with fiber, omega-3s, antioxidants, and plant-based protein. They're great for your gut, brain, and heart. But all that goes out the window when you make the mistakes we're about to talk about. Here's the reality. Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. That's great, unless they do it inside your throat or stomach without enough liquid. And that's just one of 5 huge problems we're going to break down. So if you've been adding chia seeds to your daily routine thinking you're doing your body a favor, hang tight. Because if you're doing any of the next 5 things, you're setting yourself up for long-term damage. So do me a favor, stick around till the end of this video because I'm going to show you how to use chia seeds the right way and avoid these 5 silent mistakes that can mess up your health fast. Mistake number 1, eating dry chia seeds. This is the single most dangerous mistake you can make. Never, ever eat chia seeds dry and wash them down with water later. Why? Because chia seeds expand quickly. If they start expanding in your esophagus, they can cause a blockage. And yes, it's happened before. There was a documented case where a man swallowed dry chia seeds and ended up in the ER with a blocked throat. Chia seeds soak up liquid fast. That gel-like texture you see when they're soaked in water, that's what they should look like before you eat them. Otherwise, they'll try to soak up liquid inside you. And that's not what you want. What to do instead? Always soak your chia seeds for at least 20 minutes before eating them. Best ratio, 1 tablespoon of chia to about half a cup of water. Let it sit. Let it expand. That's the form your body can actually handle. Mistake number 2, eating too much too soon. Here's another big one. Going from 0 to 2 tablespoons a day overnight. Look, chia seeds are loaded with fiber, nearly 10 grams per ounce. That's a lot. If your body isn't used to that kind of fiber load, you're going to feel it. We're talking gas, bloating, stomach cramps, and even constipation. Yep, fiber can constipate you if you're not drinking enough water along with it. Real life example. A client of mine started adding 2 tablespoons of dry chia seeds to his yogurt every morning. Within days, he was doubled over with cramps, couldn't use the bathroom for 2 days, and swore off chia seeds completely. But the problem wasn't the seeds, it was the amount and the way he used them. What to do instead? Start with just half a tablespoon per day. Let your gut adjust. And drink water. Lots of it. At least 8-10 ounces with every serving. Mistake number 3 is the one almost no one talks about. But it quietly affects over 90% of people using chia seeds. If you're soaking them wrong, you're missing out on the real benefits. Let's talk about it. Mistake number 3, using chia seeds without soaking in acidic base. Most people soak chia seeds in plain water. That's okay. But if you want to unlock more nutrients, especially omega-3s and antioxidants, there's a better way. Use an acidic base like lemon water or apple cider vinegar. It breaks down the seed coat more effectively, making the nutrients more bioavailable. This helps your body actually use the healthy fats and minerals packed inside each seed. Chia seeds are tiny vaults of nutrition, but you need the right key to unlock them. Why does this matter so much? Because the outer shell of chia seeds contains enzyme inhibitors, natural compounds that actually block nutrient absorption unless broken down. Soaking in lemon water or diluted ACV helps weaken those inhibitors and supports better mineral absorption, especially magnesium and calcium. It's like fermenting food. You make it easier to digest and more beneficial in the process. And if you're drinking chia for detox, this step is non-negotiable. What to do instead? Try soaking your chia seeds in warm lemon water or diluted ACV before drinking. Not only does it boost digestion, but it also improves absorption of the nutrients. Mistake number 4, ignoring blood sugar effects. Chia seeds are often marketed as blood sugar friendly, and they can be, because of the fiber and healthy fats. But there's a catch. If you pair chia seeds with sugary foods like fruit juices, honey-laced smoothies, or even flavored yogurts, you cancel out the benefits. Worse, the delayed digestion from the fiber can mask a blood sugar spike, meaning your insulin has to work harder and longer to keep up. Example: you throw chia seeds into a mango smoothie loaded with bananas, juice, and honey. That fiber slows the sugar absorption, sure, but the total sugar load still hits your body. It just hits it over time, keeping your blood sugar elevated for hours. Not good. What to do instead? Use chia seeds to balance your meals, not mask sugar bombs. Mix them with protein or healthy fat sources like unsweetened almond milk, Greek yogurt, or a scoop of protein powder. Mistake number 5, thinking chia seeds are a complete protein source. You'll hear people say chia seeds are a complete protein. That's technically true. They have all 9 essential amino acids. But here's the real deal. The amount of those amino acids is very low. You'd have to eat over 4-5 tablespoons of chia to get the same protein content as 1 egg. And that much chia can mess with your gut. What to do instead? Think of chia as a protein booster, not a replacement. Use it alongside other sources like beans, quinoa, eggs, or plant protein powders. That's how you build balanced, sustainable meals. Bonus myth: chia seeds detox your body. Chia seeds are marketed as a detox miracle. But here's the truth. Chia itself doesn't detox anything. What it does do is provide fiber, and fiber helps move waste through your digestive tract. But if your diet's full of processed foods and you're not hydrating properly, chia won't save you. Worse, if you start loading up on chia thinking it's a cleanse, you'll just end up constipated, bloated, and frustrated. Better approach? Use chia as part of a clean, fiber-rich diet. Think leafy greens, water, lemon, ginger, not just dumping chia into fruit juice and hoping for magic. Putting it all together, the right way to use chia seeds. Here's how to actually use chia seeds without hurting your body. Soak them first, every time, at least 20 minutes. Start slow, half a tablespoon per day, then build up. Use an acidic base to soak, lemon water or diluted ACV. Pair with low-sugar, high-protein ingredients. Use as a supplement, not a primary protein source. And bonus tip, don't eat them right before bed. The fiber and gel can expand in your stomach and disturb your sleep, especially if you have digestion issues. Want a safe recipe? Here you go. 1 tablespoon chia. Half cup unsweetened almond milk. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. 1 teaspoon ground flaxseed. Soak overnight in the fridge. Boom! Simple, safe, and effective. Chia seeds can be amazing, but like anything powerful, they need to be handled the right way. You wouldn't take medicine without reading the instructions, right? Think of chia seeds the same way. Avoid eating them dry. Don't overload your gut with fiber. Pair them with the right foods. Prep them the right way. And stop thinking they're the magical superfood that solves everything. Used wisely, they can boost your digestion, energy, and metabolism. But one wrong move, and you're looking at gas, bloating, blockages, and more. If this helps you, hit the like button so more people don't make these mistakes. And if you want more simple, real talk about superfoods that actually work, hit subscribe. I've got more myth-busting videos coming that'll change the way you look at healthy eating for good. Stay smart, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.